to take you on a quick tour of the membership site so you know what to expect and where to find everything. When you sign into the membership, you will find this is your welcome page. This will be the first place that you start. Then you'll have access to the recipe vault and the exercise vault. If you have previously bought Kick the Gluten from me, you will have access to this, and if you are a Thermomix customer of mine, then you will have access to the Thermowit Club. But if you are just a Wicked Healthy Tribe recipe member, then you will have access to these three categories. So I just want to take you in. As I said, this is the first place that you are going to start. And if we go into here, this here is, I'll go into here, everything is broken down into short videos for you so that you can chunk it down and just do it in bite size. This is what I absolutely recommend you to do, is to download the app so that you can find all the information that you need at your fingertips. The details are in there on how to do that. There's a welcome video from me. This is the first step of where you're going to start with a 2-week pre-reset and some must-know tips. So have a listen to that and download the PDF that is attached. This is where you'll access the membership walkthrough that you are viewing. There are tools in here to help you thrive. So we've got foundation modules, which I'm about to go into, but these are all tools to help you track your progress and to get the most out of your membership. So I recommend just having a look in there and just having a look at what is available. And then your Fast Start Kit, that you would have received in your welcome email. If you haven't got that, then this is where you are going to find it. Now you can either navigate through your back button, or you can go through this navigation bar here, but I'm just using my back button. And so now I'll use the categories so you can see. Now this is where you're going to find the foundation knowledge videos for Fast Like a Girl. So as a certified Fast Like a Girl coach, I have broken it down into 5 modules: the need for healing, understanding hormones, the art of metabolically switching, the art of fasting like a girl, the art of eating like a girl, and then your next steps in terms of choosing your path. As you'll see, each module, the first module is short at 13 minutes. Each module is around around an hour. And then each video is broken down into smaller chunks, as you can see here. Now, there are some videos, I'll just find one here, see, with testosterone, it says here, don't forget to download the PDF so that it is accompanying download to extend and expand your knowledge. So so there are very depending on the different modules. So you'll see understanding the different fasting lengths that comes with a download. So there are several that come with downloads to deepen your knowledge. This is the foundation of everything that we go through, that we are about in the tribe. So please do not miss this. There is so much wealth of information in these videos, and with your understanding the problem, there is a module checklist of all the videos. And I just want you to, and that will help you keep on track, because obviously you're not going to do them all at once. So there is so much gold in these, and I learnt a lot. Like going through as a Fast Like a Girl coach, and then recording these for you. It was just really great for me to go through that process as well. Then you will find beyond the foundations Q&A and knowledge nuggets. There, if I'm running Q&As, then this is where the recordings will go. And then if I just do little snippets of videos, then those will be uploaded into the knowledge nuggets. We have healthy habit challenges. Sometimes we do them every month, sometimes we might do them bi-monthly. So I really recommend that you take part at the time of this recording. We're doing an oxytocin challenge. We've done meditation challenges. So there's lots of, if you want to just create a new habit, I recommend that you just have a look in here, see what appeals, and then you can follow that. They often come with supporting documentation to give you ideas on how to do that challenge. We've got recorded guest experts. There are honestly hours and hours of experts that we have in here. So put your headphones on or your earpods in, go for a walk and just listen to what appeals. As you can see, we've had a lot of guest speakers. Now if I go back to here, recorded favorite fasting tools at the time of this recording. I haven't uploaded the fasting tools, but that is coming, so by the time hopefully you're watching this, they will be in there. And then product discounts available to you. Nutrient Rescue is a product that I absolutely recommend. There is a 15% discount in there. BioTrace is a wonderful electrolytes and minerals that help your fasting efforts, especially in the longer fasts. So highly recommend that you grab some of those. Kiwi Nutrition is protein powder, collagen and creatine. And then there are a couple of other ones there that you might want to have a look at. So that's the main hub. That's where you start. Now, if I go back up to my library, this will bring me back to the main screen where we started. And if I go into the Tribe Recipe Vault, this is actually where the Wicked Healthy Tribe started, because I am so passionate about healthy eating. If I can get every woman in their family to be eating nutritious, well-balanced, healthy food, that would be my absolute dream. And supporting that with a fasting lifestyle, you will get all the results that you need. So in here, over 500 recipes. I've outlined here how I do a wellness approach. I've got food lists in here. So this is, let me just go in, we've got protein, we've got food lists that support estrogen and progesterone building, probiotic, prebiotic and polyphenol foods, and then your protein foods. It's just a matter of having a look and seeing what is available. We've got a Breaking Your Fast collection. So these are all fantastic for breaking your fast. And if I go into this here, for example, if it's got a TM, it means that it is a Thermomix recipe as well. And so you can print the recipe, and they are just really simple and easy. They've all been tested. And so as you can see, there are a couple of different pages. So that means that the recipes go further over rather than just the initial screen. I won't go through all of these, but just to outline, we've got breakfast, lunch, soups, fermented foods if you want to make your own sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, they're all in there. Low carb recipes, which are great for postmenopausal women. See, there's another section over here. If I go into dinner, you will see that there are nibbles and entrees. There are chicken. It's broken down into the different protein sources. There's fish and seafood, pork, etc. I've got a massive, lamb, vegetarian, and if I go into show more, with all of them, you will see that there are hundreds of recipes. So you will not, if you go each day you want to make something new, this has got you absolutely covered. Okay, so if I go back to, so you can see with every category there is a show more. And if I go back to categories, and if I go back to the second page, there's desserts and sweet treats, there's dressings and sauces. So just have a look, because there is so much in there for you. And then if I go into actually I'm just going to take you into the main hub again here. This is where you, if you haven't already, I I invite you to join us in our private tribe Facebook group. This is where the accountability happens. This is where the conversations, this is where the friendships, you'll develop new friendships, and the camaraderie, and so much. This is kind of like the glue that holds the tribe together. It is absolutely not essential that you're in the Facebook group, and some people just pop in there once a week to keep in touch. Others might jump in there, every couple of days or every couple of weeks. It is there to support you however much you need it. I also send out a weekly email on a Sunday morning, just giving you a wrap up of what's happened during the week and what is coming up so that you don't miss anything. But this we have we have accountability if you want to set your goals for the week. We have share your wins. We have celebrating members. I do a weekly in the spotlight recipe. So there's lots that's happening. I might jump in there and do short little live videos. So yeah, there's lots available for you in there. And then lastly, I will take you into the exercise vault, and this is where if you want to exercise from home, there is a wealth of information from different PTs who have provided videos to be able to, so that you can work out from home. If you want to do band workouts, if you want to do Zumba workouts, there is, or Pilates or yoga, or Tabata videos, and they're anything from 5 minutes to 25 minutes. There's warm up, there's warm down. So it's a chance to experiment with different exercise options. And then if you love something, then I suggest that you go out and find a class that is suitable for you. Now, just very lastly, to show you, sometimes when I join a membership, I find it really hard to find how I actually access that membership. So if I go to my website, which you can't see the URL, but I'm putting in wickedwellbeing.com. Okay, so if I go to wickedwellbeing.com, you will see here that, and you will see login details for as a member. So if I hit there, that's where I can go to my library. Okay, so if you need to find out if you struggle to find how to log into the membership, just go to wickedwellbeing.com and that will take you to the membership. If you've got any questions, please ask. I am here to help, and I'm here to support you on your journey to better health, more energy, more stabilized hormones, more stabilized moods, and to find a fasting lifestyle that works for you and is a long-term lifestyle change that you can do for the rest of your life. This isn't a short-term goal. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will look forward to supporting you on your journey.